Alright guys, this is my first video on this channel. I've never built a custom keyboard before. The keyboard that I picked up was the BM65 from KP Republic, and I got it on AliExpress along with the switches, which are Tecsee carat linear switches, 67 grams. And then I also picked up the Durock screw-in stabilizers, the V2, and the 9009 keycaps. Of course, underneath all this, the BM65 in the white case. So yeah, let's just get into the video and hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these to the side for now, and we will pick them back up later. So here is the keyboard. You're welcome to buy a thank you card from KP Republic and a little sticker right here. And here is the keyboard itself. So let me just cut this open. All right, so here we go. And let me move this box out the way. And yeah, so here is the steel plate it comes with. Feels pretty nice. I've heard that some people's own are a little bit warped, but for the most part, it seems pretty flat. And here is the white case. It's kind of more of a cream. I don't know if that kind of picks up on camera, but it's not like the E-white, or it's not even the same color as this white IKEA table. It's more of like a cream, which, I mean, I don't mind, but yeah, just so you guys know what color it actually is. Yeah, it's more like a slight off-whitish kind of color. And then here is the PCB. Let me take it out. And yeah, so this is a hot swap 65% PCB. Right off the bat, I can see that there's a scratch right here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a scratch all along here. So yeah, not sure what that's about, but yeah, hopefully everything is working properly. I can't feel the scratch, but you can definitely see that there's been something that's been dragged along there. Other side looks pretty good. So I guess let's just start building it and see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna try and open up the case. Let's check it out. All right, so it comes with some 3M feet, seems, and some rubber grommets for, I think, the actual legs. Yes, so these grommets, let me just put them on right here. They just slide on like that. Then you can close those down, and then just peel off these. So yeah, now you can see the feet are all on. So yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Now I just need to figure out how to actually pop open the case so I can put everything in. From what I've seen online, you just need a flathead screwdriver and you just pry open these little tabs up here. Kind of scared because I don't want to damage it. Okay, that's not too bad then. You just kind of slide the screwdriver over to these ones. These two middle ones are super easy. And then as you saw what I just did, I just put the screwdriver under and just slowly moved it over to this clip right here, and then the same thing on this side. And then as you can see, it just pops off. It's pretty good. You know what? Actually, the first thing that I will do is I will do the stabilizers, because they have to screw into the PCB. And then I will put everything together and put on the switches. Let me get the stabilizers right here. I move these to the side for now. So I have some 205G0 that I picked up from AliExpress. So yeah, hopefully it's good. But yeah, it was cheap and it came with all this other stuff. But yeah, so let's get started with that. But yeah, I think everything went well with the lubing and the Holee mod. Turned out pretty well. I used the medical tape, and yeah, everything worked pretty well. I honestly think it's a little bit more low profile than the Band-Aid. Like, it's not gonna feel as mushy, because I hear some people, when they use a Band-Aid, it turns out mushy. So yeah, I don't know. I tried it out on the spacebar only, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so now that the stabilizers are done, I'm going to screw them into the PCB. And since I didn't purchase any stabilizer pads, I'm just going to use the same 3M medical tape to and just cut it into some squares and just stick it on the PCB wherever the stabilizers go. But yeah, so I guess let me go do that right now. Alright, now that the stabilizers are done, everything should be good to go. Everything went in pretty nicely. So now I'm going to start putting on the switches. So let me get the carrot switches right here. Alright guys, so all the switches are in. Yeah, so now I'm going to get the case. And so yeah, I'm going to measure the foam, cut it, and then I will come back. Alright, so pretty much what I'm trying to do now is cut individual pieces of foam to fit inside the little boxes here. So hopefully I'm able to fit like 2 layers of foam. If that doesn't work, then I'll just do the 1 layer, but I'm gonna try that and see if it fits. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so finally done. I love how it looks. It looks super nice. I went with the yellow accents. I think it looks really good. Has that retro look, obviously. But yeah, super excited to hear it and test it out. So let me clean up a bit and then I'll get to that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on this keyboard. I think it turned out pretty well. I definitely love the look. The sound could use a little bit of work, and the modifiers, except for the spacebar. The spacebar turned out really good, but the other stabilizers need some work. There's a little bit of ticking. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna try to do the PE foam mod as well and the tape mod in my upcoming videos. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed to see that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.